Today, I'll show you how to create a Brevo account. Whether you're looking to manage your email marketing or streamline your communication efforts, setting up a Brevo account is a great way to get started. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to brevo.com. This is the official website where you'll be able to create your account. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a Sign Up Free button prominently located in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click this button to start the sign-up process. Now, Brevo offers a couple of convenient options for signing up. You can choose to register using your existing Google or Apple account. This is an excellent choice if you prefer quicker access without having to remember another password. Simply click on the Google or Apple icons and follow the prompts to authorize Brevo to use your credentials. Alternatively, if you prefer to register with an email address and password, Brevo provides that option as well. In the fields provided, enter the email address you wish to associate with your Brevo account. Make sure it's an email you have access to, as Brevo will use this for account verification and future communication. After entering your email, create a strong password. A robust password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This helps to keep your account secure. Once you've entered your email and password, you're ready to move on. Look for the Create Your Account button, which is usually located right below the fields you've just filled out. Clicking this button will submit your information and initiate the account creation process. At this point, you might be asked to verify your email address. If so, simply go to your email inbox and look for a verification email from Brevo. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes these emails can end up there by mistake. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the verification process. Once your email is verified, you'll gain access to your brand new Brevo account. From here, you can start exploring all the features and tools Brevo offers. Whether you're managing email campaigns, setting up contact lists, or diving into analytics, there's a lot you can do with your account. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Brevo account and are ready to take advantage of everything it has to offer. If you ever need further assistance, Brevo's support resources are always available to help you out. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you found it helpful and that you're excited to start using Brevo for your communication needs. For more tutorials and tips, be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos. Until next time, happy emailing.